Number 5.
Industry is at the dawn of a new age in immersive computing. Technology is challenging the physical world. The way we interact with our environment is changing. Work is transforming. We are enabling this third wave. Our advanced AR software tools empower engineers to create applications across industries to solve problems in ways that were previously unimaginable. And our next generation devices, combined with this software platform, are making this transformation happen in inconceivable ways. Are you ready to transform?
Number 4. Number 3.
If your head's in the clouds, then what a feat for? Been stuck on the ground and I'm getting bored. Let's turn up the sound, best quit messing around. Think it's time that we choose. So what you wanna do? Come on. You know what it is? Been counting up the minutes and I can't sit still. Not sure when I'll be finished cause I got no chill. Pushing everybody's limits and they're like, for real? They know I'm gonna bring it, but it's no big deal. Cause I'm on the come up.
Hey Google, show me donut shops nearby.
Yeah, I'm on the come up. Come on. Think you can keep up? Bring the beat back. Come on. Homie, what you wanna do? Can't sit around all day. For real?
Number 2.
What does it take to be truly innovative? It all starts before you wake. Introducing the OnePlus 7 Pro. We set out to create a fully captivating experience with powerful Dolby Atmos sound from top to bottom and an immersive display that redefines the term bezel-less on mobile devices. Couple that with a 90 Hz refresh rate and you can scroll smoothly through your favorite apps. Or play the most intense mobile games available with no compromises. That's because we put more computing power into this device than ever before. Now you can move seamlessly between apps with software that anticipates your next move. Our adaptive brightness feature gives your eyes the least strenuous experience possible. No matter the shot or scene, the OnePlus 7 Pro is up to the task. That's because we've added 3 rear camera lenses to make sure you're capable of catching every moment. And of course, we didn't forget the selfie camera. Power through your day and night worry-free, because with Warp Charge, you're good to go in 20 minutes. That means your phone is ready before you are. And the camera capabilities don't diminish when the sun goes down. Thanks to our Nightscape feature, you'll be able to take gorgeous photographs no matter the time of day. That's the OnePlus 7 Pro, our most advanced phone ever.
Number 1.